The automotive industry is dynamic, with car manufacturers constantly innovating to meet evolving consumer demands. However, not every model can withstand the test of time. Design flaws, outdated technology, or a shift in market trends often lead to the discontinuation of once promising vehicles. Here's an overview of notable cars that were disappointing this decade. 1. Toyota Prius C. The Toyota Prius C was discontinued in 2019 due to its inability to capture consumer interest. The uninspired design and performance issues, such as air conditioning failures that caused hot air to blow from the vents, left drivers disappointed. It lagged behind other Prius models in innovation and struggled against competitors with more advanced hybrid technology. 2. Nissan Juke. The Nissan Juke initially caught attention with its unique design but faced mechanical issues that led to its discontinuation in 2017. A recurring problem was the failure of the fuel pressure sensor, which could cause engine breakdowns and even fires. Combined with a limited driving range, sales plummeted by 48%, sealing its fate. 3. Fiat 500. Derived from the Fiat Punto and styled after the smaller Fiat 500, the Fiat 500L couldn't hold its ground in the competitive small MPV market. Discontinued in 2021, it faced criticism for its cheap interior materials, clumsy handling, and lackluster efficiency. As the demand for baby SUVs grew, the 500L's popularity diminished. 4. BMW i3. Despite BMW's innovative use of carbon fiber for mass production, the i3 never achieved cost-effective large-scale production. Discontinued as BMW shifted focus to longer-range electric vehicles, the i3 was also criticized for its cramped interior and outdated technology, making it less appealing in a rapidly advancing EV market. 5. Honda CRZ. Marketed as a sports hybrid, the Honda CRZ failed to live up to its name. With a 0-60 mph time of over 10 seconds, the sluggish performance disappointed drivers. Additionally, the limited cargo space and poor mileage didn't help. However, the lessons learned paved the way for more successful hybrids, like the Accord Hybrid. 6. Chrysler 200. The Chrysler 200, launched in 2011, struggled with serious mechanical issues including fuel pump failures, random airbag deployments, and a problematic 9-speed transmission. Reports of oil consumption issues stemming from incompatible piston rings further tarnished its reputation, leading to its discontinuation in 2017. 7. Cadillac ELR. The Cadillac ELR's downfall was largely due to its steep $75,000 price tag. Despite sharing a platform with the more affordable Chevrolet Volt, the ELR offered limited electric range, 35 miles, and prioritized style over practicality. Consumers balked at the cost, making it difficult for Cadillac to justify production. 8. Acura ILX. The Acura ILX was positioned between compact luxury sedans and entry-level models but failed to resonate with either audience. Sharing a platform with the Honda Civic diluted its luxury appeal. Additionally, the outdated interior and limited engine options contributed to its declining sales. 9. Chevrolet Volt. One of the pioneers of plug-in hybrids, the Chevrolet Volt offered an electric range of 53 miles and an 18.4 kilowatt battery pack. However, its inability to effectively manage both electric and gasoline systems compromised overall performance. By 2019, consumers shifted towards SUVs with superior range and acceleration, prompting the Volt's discontinuation. T. Fisker Karma. Introduced in 2008, the Fisker Karma was lauded for its striking design but plagued by quality issues. Lawsuits, including one from Tesla alleging technology theft, and failures of its A123 battery pack hindered its success. Despite a relaunch attempt, ongoing technical problems led Fisker Automotive to file for bankruptcy in 2013. 11. Mitsubishi Mirage. Though known as one of the most affordable gasoline-powered cars in the US, the Mirage's lackluster driving dynamics and subpar comfort overshadowed its budget-friendly features. Despite conveniences like automatic climate control and collision detection, the Mirage is set to be discontinued by 2025 as Mitsubishi pivots to electric vehicles. 12. Lincoln MKT. Marketed as a luxury SUV crossover, the Lincoln MKT struggled with an uninspired design that closely resembled the Ford Edge and Flex. With poor fuel economy and outdated technology, sales dwindled, leading to its discontinuation in 2020. 13. Smart Fortwo. The Smart Fortwo was designed for urban environments but failed to gain traction in the US, where larger vehicles dominate. By 2019, Many consumers opted for similarly priced vehicles with more space and features, making the microcar obsolete. 14. Dodge Dart. Despite a 2013 relaunch, the Dodge Dart couldn't compete in a market shifting towards SUVs. The sedan's stiff steering, braking issues, and low oil pressure deterred buyers, and it was discontinued in 2016 as Dodge refocused on more popular segments. 15. Tesla Model X, first generation. Though Tesla is revered as a leader in electric vehicles, the first-generation Model X faced criticism for limited interior space and a less competitive range. Discontinued in 2020, it made way for the more practical and better-received Tesla Model Y. 16. Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada's uninspired design and sluggish performance, 8 to 9 seconds to reach 60 mph, were major drawbacks. Introduced as a convertible, it failed to impress customers and generate significant revenue, leading to its discontinuation in 2019. 17. Hyundai Veloster. Launched in 2011 with an asymmetrical door design, the Hyundai Veloster attracted a loyal fan base but eventually succumbed to the growing demand for SUVs. Discontinued in 2022, Hyundai shifted focus to more popular models like the Elantra N and Kona N. 18. Ford Flex. The Ford Flex, a 7-seater SUV with a distinctive boxy design, debuted in 2008 and was praised for its spacious interior and powerful EcoBoost V6 engine. However, by 2019, it faced stiff competition from more refined 3-row SUVs, leading to its discontinuation. The discontinuation of these vehicles reflects the challenges of balancing innovation with consumer demands. While some cars were ahead of their time, others fell behind due to design flaws or market trends. Despite their shortcomings, these models contributed valuable lessons to the automotive industry and paved the way for future advancements in performance, safety, and sustainability. Please make sure to subscribe to help the channel create more content. See you next time.